Okay, I'm going to make a video so everybody knows how to drill the holes in the aluminum pumps and the dumps so they can wire them. First you need to find a pair of pliers, a vise, a hand vise, something to hold your part that you're going to drill. You need your finger drill, and you need a drill bit to fit the size of wire that you're going to use for your lines. Okay, first thing is mark your holes on your part where you want the holes. Like so. This one might be really hard to say since it's a dump. So you take your dump, mark your spot, same with anything, the amps, everything. You just mark them where you want your wires to go. And then the big thing is everybody says that they can't drill, they can't keep their drill bit in the spot where they want to put their hole. Find a thumbtack, a little brad nail, some kind of nail, something with a point. And now this is where your vise, your hand vise, anything comes into play. So it holds all your stuff while you're doing it. You got it held in place. Take your nail, whatever you're using, set it in your mark just like you would center punch any hole that you're going to drill. And you just do that for all your holes. So you center punch all your holes. Alright, we got a hole started. Then you take your finger drill, you go back where you punched your hole, and you start finger drilling it till you get it to however deep you want it. I usually set them enough that I can have enough room to stick the wire down in the hole and put a fitting over the end of it. I don't know if you can see it. If you can zoom in. And yes, you know, aluminum's harder than resin or plastic. So you get your hole going. Alright, we cheated a little bit for the sake of cheating. Because we can. If you got a drill, power drill, that can hold your finger bit small enough, small enough to go down to that size, you can use your drill and drill it too. But don't push because, the drill bits are small. Just let the weight of the tool do all the work.